Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'll be doing a quick video to show you how to use the countdown timer on your Fitbit Inspire 2 activity tracker. As with most of the things on this activity tracker, it's pretty basic functionality, not too hard to figure out. First thing we need to do is we need to get into the activity tracker, which means we need to get it off of the sleep screen that I'm showing here. Depending on how you have yours set up, you might be able to click and hold the touch screen. Some of you might just turn it towards you, or you can always press the two side buttons quickly to turn on the screen. That's what I'm going to do. So we're going to turn on the screen, and then we're just going to swipe down a couple of times until we get to timers. Hopefully you can see that, okay? Once we're in timers, you're only going to have two options in there, stopwatch or countdown timer. You want to make sure you're on countdown timer, and then once you're in there, by default, you're going to be on the hours. Now, when you start scrolling through here, you start wondering, well, how do I do minutes if I don't want to do hours? It's a little bit tricky. You're going to want to get it on the 00 hour, and then you're going to select that. That will take you into the minutes. Now you can choose whatever minute you want to. If you decide you don't want to do minutes, that you'd rather do hours, you're going to go back. So now you can say, okay, how about 1 hour and 0 minutes? And now you can start your timer. You can pause it to go down. You can swipe down to reset it. And then if you need to set it again, you can choose whatever you want. So if I want to do 10 minutes, for example, I would put my hours at 0, and then I would put my minutes at 10 minutes. Start my timer. You can have this countdown timer and stopwatch running at the same time if you wanted to. You can go back to your main watch screen, and your countdown timer will still be running in the background. So if we wanted to go check it out, all we have to do is go back to the timer, go to the countdown timer, and we can see the status of it running. Once we're done, we're just going to reset it, go back to our home screen, and we've successfully set and used our countdown timer. I hope that makes sense, but if you got any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. As always, thanks for watching.